In this video I'll show you how to install Claude Code on Mac or Linux. But more importantly, I'll share 2 pro tips I wish I knew earlier. So to install Claude Code, we'll enter to Anthropic website. Here you can see the system requirements. The only one worth mentioning is that you need to have Node 18 or above. If you don't have, click here and download. I'll put the links in the description. Let's take this npm command and run it. Now you can enter any terminal and type Claude. It will open Claude Code. Just to clarify, since it can be confusing, you don't need to install any VSCode extension. What we installed is more than enough. We're going to use the terminal in VSCode. It will work with cursor as well. On the first time, it asks for a theme configuration. I love using the dark model colorblind friendly. Maybe I need to do a vision test. Now we need to choose the usage method. You can go with subscription, $20 for Pro and $100 for Max, or with API usage. Most of the users are going with the Pro subscription. I won't get into it, but in this plan you possibly hit the limits if you use it daily, and you won't be able to use the Opus 4 model. When choosing, it will open a browser for authentication. Now Claude Code says that it can make mistakes and you should avoid injection code. LLMs have issues, but it's a topic for another video. For our need, just click enter. The next step is to set Claude Code terminal setup. We'll go with the recommended path. This will allow us to review the files in VSCode and not in the terminal, which is easier. In addition, it will add a shortcut to open Claude Code on top right of each file, right here. If you are facing any issue with the settings, you can run it manually with the /. Now you can see all Claude Code's command and use the terminal setup command. That's it, we have Claude Code live and running. Make sure to watch the following tips because they can save you a lot of time and money. But first, let's write a prompt and see it in action. This is All Dev Needs, a website we created for free useful tools like Jot Decoder, UID Generator, and more. Let's ask Claude to change the background color to red. As you can see, I can review the files in VS Code. Great, it's bonus time. The first tip is Plan Mode. When clicking Shift-Tab twice, it changes the mode to Plan Mode On. Now we're working on plan mode and you can iterate with the LLM on a plan you want to implement before generating any code. Approving the plan and Claude's suggested tasks will reduce the chances you will run into hallucinations. The next tip is mentioned in Anthropic official website. When using Sonnet or Opus, Claude 4 models, you can guide how deeply Claude thinks by using special trigger phrases. Typing think hard, think harder, or ultrathink increases that model's internal thinking budget, giving it more time to evaluate alternatives. This technique is especially useful when you are planning complex features or debugging tricky issues. I recommend to use it with intention, as it can significantly increase the cost if not managed carefully. Now you are ready to use Claude Code, but in order to take it to the next level, you must watch this tutorial.